Welcome to Blackboard Learn, Basics for Staff online tutorial. This 5-minute video is designed to give you a taste of some of the features of Blackboard Learn and act as a refresher for some people that have attended training. Okay, to log into Blackboard Learn, just type in your staff username and password. When you log into Blackboard Learn, you will see a series of boxes. The first box on the top left-hand corner is called My Courses. It contains a list of all the courses which are based in Blackboard Learn. It's slightly different from the My ULink course list, which lists the courses which were available to you last year as a ULink user. Clicking on the title of the course takes you into ULink without the need to log in again. Notice it opens a new window or a new tab in your browser. To get back to Blackboard Learn, just go back to the original browser window. When you enter a course in Blackboard Learn, as an instructor or a staff member, you will see that there is an edit mode button on the top right hand corner. If this button is selected to off, you don't have the options to build that you have when edit mode is selected to on. And for this reason, it's quite important to keep edit mode on the majority of the time that you're using Blackboard Learn, and just every now and again select it to off to see what students see. I'm just going to upload an item so you can see how it is done. I name the item, I select the document to attach to it, and I click Submit. I'm now going to create a file in the same way. A file is slightly different from a content item in that you don't have the text box editor to add instructions, but it is slightly quicker because you don't need to type in the name of the item, it picks up the name of the file. Okay, so when edit mode is on, I can see some drag and drop arrows, I can see some build content menus and assessments and tools, and I can see how to add an item to my content and my course menu. When I select edit mode off, I lose the ability to build new items or drag and drop or add new pages. If you're wondering where your buttons have gone, it's probably because edit mode is off. If I need to amend any items, I'll use the options menu to the right of each content item. By selecting edit, I can then re-enter the page I entered when I created it originally. For this document, I don't want to make it available to users, so I select Permit users to view this content to no. For the item that I made unavailable, I have an availability rule displayed as highlighted here. And just to double check that students don't see it, if I select edit mode to off, that item disappears. To add a page to my menu, I would select one of the options on the add a menu item. I can also hide items, rename them, and move them. Finally, in the control panel, I do have help. Within Blackboard Help, I'm able to search for terms that I don't understand in the system. For example, if I see a course tool called collaboration, and I'm not sure what that does, I can search for the term, I select the search result which is most appropriate for my search, and I'll find out about the particular tool in question. For other help, you can click Contact Support to send an email to the LTT, which is the Learning Technology team at Brunel, and we will help you as best we can. And there are also some video tutorials. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on Blackboard Learn soon.